back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys my beauty room tour. And if you remember from my video, from my closet haul video, I had told you guys I would show you my beauty room tour, and a lot of you guys said you wanted to see it. So I'm going to show you guys my new beauty room and also how I organize and store my makeup. So let's just go right ahead. So here we have my new beauty room, and as you all can see, I kept it really simple. I kept it really, spacious, and also I wanted to keep it kind of white, although you guys know white don't really go well with makeup. And then I have some greeneries. I have a plant right here. This is from IKEA, and then I have a plant here and also here, and this two kind of wardrobes is from IKEA. This is actually an IKEA wardrobe, but I decided to kind of make it into a beauty room display, as you all can see. So this right here is different from this two. I bought this separately, and then this two was supposed to match, and I didn't know what to do up here, so I decided to kind of do a very small design here. So when you look over on this side, as you all can see, I have my vanity mirror right here. This mirror actually comes on. This mirror is probably almost getting to 10 years since I bought it, and it's still as if it's brand new. And then over here is the chair I used to film. I absolutely love this chair right here. It's so comfortable and it's very padded. Even when I film for hours and hours, it really makes me comfortable, because as you all can see, it's kind of really padded almost all around it. And this is from IKEA. Absolutely love. As you all can see, I have a separate table right here, and this table, almost everything I have here is from IKEA, guys. And this is where I normally just keep all my coiling wands. I have my straightener, my coiler, everything I use for my my coiling tools. This is where I keep it. Here I have a very beautiful frame right here. It says, "You will forever be my always." And then here I have this small mirror. I really do love this. I bought this, I think, from Burlington Coat Factory. I saw it and I was like, oh, it looks nice. When you look over to this side, you guys, I have a huge plant. It's also from IKEA, and it's kind of almost my height. Alright, so let's just go closer to my makeup. Over here I have all my brushes, all over face brushes I have on this side, and then over here I have my foundation brushes. And then when I go ahead and open up the very first drawer, I actually bought this divider from IKEA, and I absolutely love it because it makes it so much easier for me to know like sections of where I kept my products. As you all can see, over here I have kind of all my setting powders on this side right here, and then all these ones are kind of the new products I'm going to be using soon. And then when you go ahead and open up the next shelf, I have some of my eyelashes right here. I just felt that this is going to be perfect for eyelashes. So over on this drawer I have some of my eyeshadow palettes. Like, I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I still have one over on that side. It's always difficult for me to know what exactly I have, so I like it the way I displayed them right here, so it will be easier for me to kind of see each eyeshadow palette. Alright, so moving down on this side, as you all can see, this is where you would really see this divider right here. Like, it comes in really handy on this section, because as you all can see, I have a ton of products right here, but I actually know the sections of what I have because of the fact I have this divider. I have this side all my concealers, as you all can see, and it also comes with the glass displays. Over on this side I have all my foundations. Like, I recently gave out a ton of foundation because, you guys, I receive foundations almost every single week. So whenever I receive foundation, or even makeup, I always give them out. Over here I have all my primers. As you all can see, these right here are all my face primers, and then over here I have kind of my serum and also my facial oil. I love to use these products, they help to keep me hydrated. This side I decided to keep all my makeup setting sprays, and then here I have kind of some of my, what are these called, like my glow oil. These are perfect for if you want to really make your legs pop, if you want your legs to shine. So moving on this section, I have my blushes. As you all can see, I also have that divider going on here. Like I said, it makes it so much easier for me to know the section where I have my products. So over here I have my blushes. On this side right here I have all my powder, like my powder product, my setting powders. And then over here I have all my highlight products right here. And then on this side I have my contour products, like everything I need to contour my face. I just have it on this section, like my contour and my bronzer is on this section right here. Okay, so when I go ahead and pull up this, I have all my towels. Like, you guys, I'm obsessed with skincare, even though I don't have a perfect skin, but still I don't play with my skincare. So on this shelf I decided to put all my, like, my hair towel, my face towel. And then the very last drawer is actually my nail section. You guys, as you all can see, I have all my nail polishes, I have my gel nail dryer, I have my cotton wool. Down here I have a small trash because I promise you guys I always end up filling this up. I don't know why, but I always end up maybe with facial wipes or even product cartons, you know. I just throw them in here. Alright, so moving on to this side. Over here I have all my eye brushes and also my highlight brushes. I have all my kind of my makeup sponge. Yeah, all my makeup sponges are here. So on this section right here I have kind of part of my skincare products, and over here I have my Retin A Micro. This is kind of the main product I use for my acne. So a few weeks ago I went to Victoria's Secret and I saw they were on sale, so I decided to pick up some of their body sprays. This is what I use for my skin, you guys, the Neutrogena body oil. I've used this for years. This is probably my 15th year, guys. I started using this, I think, my first year in college, and I absolutely love it. It always leaves the skin really kind of hydrated and glowing. And this is my makeup remover wipes, my number 7 makeup remover wipes. This is the only wipes I use to remove my makeup. It's just amazing. And then behind it I have some makeup removal solution. And then over here I have my cotton pads, and over here I still have some makeup removal solutions over here. So you can see this one is from Bioderma. Then over here I have some of my sheet masks. I just decided to put this and this on this section. And then here I have my towelettes for removing my makeup. The next shelf is, this is where I have, you know, the remaining of my lashes. So over on that side I have some of my lashes, and then also over here I have some of my lashes. And then on this shelf I have the remaining of my eyeshadow palettes. Like I told you guys, I absolutely love the fact that, you know, they are all on display so I can see exactly what I need, and you know, it just makes it so much easier to just pick up a palette and just go through it to see if I have the colors of the look I want to go for. And this section is all my lippies, guys. So as you all can see, I also sectioned everything. So on this side I have all my liquid lipsticks. Here I have all my tube lipstick. As you all can see, I have my MAC, my Motive Cosmetics Bobbi Brown, Lipland Cosmetics. You know, I have all my tube lip products right here. And then over here also I have my liquid lipsticks, and here I have my lip glosses. Like everything on this display are things I use on, you know, a regular basis. Going down, so these right here are my eyeliners and these are my lip liners. And then on this section right here I have all my mascaras. And over here I have my pen liners, my liquid liners, and my gel liners. And over here are for my brows. Everything you see here are my brow products. So this shelf is for skincare, guys. Like I said, I absolutely love skincare. So I have my MACs, my makeup tools. Majority of the things I have here are all MACs and cleansers, and also some of my makeup tools. I have my PMD. This is absolutely amazing for pores, you know, for minimizing pores. So the last, oh my gosh, okay, so the last section is kind of my, what are these called, like my single eyeshadows, my glitters. And on this side right here I have all my eyeshadow primers. And here I have just my decorative piece, you know, things I use to kind of decorate my face when I'm in the mood to do that. And this one is my eyeshadow shield. And yeah, okay, so for this section right here, I decided to add a little bit of decorative piece, because after I added this and this and this area was just bare, so I wanted to, you know, kind of keep it busy. So I decided to put this thing. This is also from IKEA, and this is also from IKEA. So I decided to put these two things, and also added a little bit of, you know, decorative piece on them. And then also this frame is from a brand called Instawood on Instagram. They actually reached out to me to do this picture of myself, so I was so excited, you know. And when I received it, I absolutely loved it, so I decided to keep it right here. And for some reason, it just makes this area more personalized, you know. Once you walk in, you see my picture. And then down here, this thing, this thing, you guys can see, like, it's not on right now, but I believe I'm going to insert a video where I have it on. I always put it on whenever I'm filming, and it kind of has different colors, you know, when I'm filming. And then behind it, I have my YouTube plaque, my 100,000 subscriber YouTube plaque. Over here, I have a plant. I wanted to add kind of a green, you know, touch to this section right here. This and this came together, but this I bought it differently, and as you all can see, it has a very gorgeous kind of glass display right here, although it's not transparent. But I decided to put all my filming equipment on this particular section. I have my 5 lenses here, and then over here I have like my charger, my Canon charger, and also my lens cleaner. So like right here, I just decided to put like my filming products here. Then on this section, I decided to keep some of my skincare and also my hair products. As you all can see here, I have my pore vacuum machine right here, and then here I have my cleansing brush for my face. And then these 2 products, I haven't used them yet. They are like coiling ones. A lot of you guys always ask me if I'm natural or I'm relaxed, guys. I actually relax my hair like 2 times a year, every 6 months. So I have this gorgeous fragrance set from Avon. And then the very last drawer is my hair products. As you all can see, I have all my hair lotion, my hairspray, my comb, everything for my hair is on this section, so it makes it easier. Once I want to do my hair, I already know where exactly I have all my hair tools. Alright you guys, this is all there is to this video. Like I promised you all that I was going to share my new beauty room with you guys. I just like the fact that I have everything, you know, in a particular space, so it makes it so much easier for me to just come in here and I know exactly where each product is. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.